Imagine a world where you could download and print custom tangible objects, like a table or a kidney. Well, that world is coming, thanks to the possibilities made by 3D printing. We aren't very far from it. March 4th, 2013, the first surgery to replace a patient's skull with a custom 3D printed part took place. 75% of his skull had been destroyed, but the replacement restored his head with characteristics unmatched by traditional metal implants. With this medical landmark, upwards of 300 patients a month will benefit from these customized 3D printed skulls. The technology began with Charles Hull, when he invented the first 3D printer in 1984. Since then, 3D printing has developed to produce prototypes, molds, jewelry, toys, organs, and even entire automobiles. How does it all work? The basic principle of 3D printing relies on splitting 3D objects into very thin layers. Each layer is then printed on top of each other to form a full 3D object. Because 3D printers put layers together, this is called additive manufacturing and is a lot less wasteful than subtractive technologies. The printer you see here uses fused deposition modeling, or FDM for short. There are three other major types: 3D inkjet printing, laser sintering, and stereolithography. FDM printers are the simplest and most affordable. They'll probably be the first 3D printers you buy. The way they work depends heavily on the part called the printing head. Here, a heating filament takes in plastic thread and melts it down, quickly placing tiny drops to form your 3D object. The whole head moves around to build each layer. As prices drop with popularity, soon you might end up buying a 3D printer in the near future. But with popularity comes some consequences. As if there wasn't enough controversy, soon 3D printers could be put into the gun regulations debate. If a person simply finds a digital model of a gun, like the very recent Liberator model, they could easily print them out without regulations. Even without the model, printers today can create illegal gun parts, such as large magazines, short barrels, and suppressors. Another problem arises with copyright. As 3D scanning technology becomes regularly available, any owner could scan in a copyrighted object and duplicate them for themselves. While those issues need to be addressed, no one really knows what direction 3D printing will take. Already the technology has proven its use in medicine, art, and design. 3D printing is only limited by one's creativity. Only time will tell when they turn imagination into reality.